Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching of St. Thomas School. So today we will start the revision part of our textbook, page number 60. Let's start the revision activity 1. One group discussed school subjects and made this chart to show their favorites. You can see here one table. There one group, they have ranked their 5 subjects. Which subjects they like the most and which subject they like least. So here you can see English, science, computer skill, maths and history. Among them you can see English is the favorite subject there mentioned, and at the end history, which is the least favorite subject for the students. Use the paragraph below to write about the chart. You will need to invite your own reasons for why the group might have chosen their favorite, and you need to add your own favorite. The group that made this chart talked about their favorite subjects. They ranked these 5 subjects: English, science, computer, maths and history. Among them English is their favorite subject they have mentioned, and history their less favorite subject they have mentioned. Then you can see their blanks down that the groups decided that English is their favorite subject. They probably liked this, which subject? English. They probably like English best because it is very easy to learn for them, and maybe the most of the informations are available is in English only. That is the reason they like the English most. The group's least favorite subject, we can see here what is the least favorite subject, then history. Because why it is least favorite for them? Because it is very dull subject for the student. Maybe they have to remember the facts and the days and the time of such things, and which they found that may be not useful in their life. They feel, students feel difficulty in learning the dates and the times and the year. That's why maybe it is their least favorite subject. My favorite subject is dash because dash. So here you have to write. Now student, as a student you have to write that what is your favorite subject, either English or a computer or a science or a maths or which, and why, what is the reason, because what. So that you have to write your own answer here. Now let us see activity 2. In the poem It's a Puzzle by Alan Elberg, you find these lines. So this is the poem lines given here. My friend is not my friend anymore. She has secret from me and goes about with Trekkie Hackett. I would get her back, only do not want to say so. So I pretend to have secrets from her and go about with Alice Banks. This is a puzzle poem. Now let's see further what this poem wants to say. In the poem, the poet is talking about an old friend, but he also has a new friend. Name is Alice Banks. Old friend is there and new friend also. He is talking to new friend Alice Banks. Imagine and write a dialogue between poet and Alice Banks. Here we have to gaze that what the poet has talked to his new friend. Its name is Alice Banks. What is the conversation, dialogue between these two? Will the poet tell about his old friend? Will he share the secrets? Will Alice say, write at least 8 lines of dialogue. Make sure that both characters speak. Here the space is given, box is given. We have to write a dialogue here between poet and Alice Bank. Alice Bank is a new friend. So what poet will talk to him? Will he talk about his old friend? Will he share any secret? And what Alice will reply? Now that dialogue between these two we have to write. So maybe I will just tell you in brief that what you can write for this. So maybe this poet, his name we know only, Ellen. So maybe Ellen, the poet saying that, hi Alice, today I want to tell you certain things, now some secrets which you are not knowing about. Alice Bank, what he will say, oh, I am very excited to know about. Then Alan, what he will say, that oh, don't be impatient, but I'll let you know, because the things which I am going to tell you, which is not make you happy. Alice, okay, then you can start now. Then Ellen, what he will say, that listen, maybe any incident he will talk. That I had a one girlfriend, its name is any name, and she was very beautiful and intelligent. Alice will say that, oh, I feel very envious about you. And he will ask that, did you really love her? Ellen will say, yes, I love her. Alice, then why did you break? Ellen will say that maybe she is a very egoist person. She is very egoist and she want that according to her wish only I should live, so I cannot bear her. Alice will say that it means that she did not have any love or affection for you. Ellen will say not exactly, but her affluence only and her ego only make her to leave me. So that conversation will be there between the poet and Alice Bank. So this is one kind of a puzzle poem that the poet having the friend and she is having the secret about. And the another thing is the poet is talking to his new friend Alice about the old friend and having the secret from her. And at the end he is telling that because of her ego only made her to leave me. So this is one kind of puzzle mystery poem, and we have to just write a dialogue between these two, between the poet and a new friend Alice. So I will send you one PDF of this dialogue writing, which you have to read it and you have to write down this both activity 1 and 2 in your fair notebook in the revision part. Okay, so here we will end this video. For this video today we will see only activity 1 and 2, and further activity we will see in the next video. Okay, thank you students. Bye bye, take care.